Our ability to present, speak in public, and communicate seems to influence to quite a large extent how well people think we do our jobs, so it's probably in our best interest to be good at it. I hold the belief that there is no one right way to do it, so it's up to each of us to determine what works best for ourselves. My name is Piero Vitelli, and I've been delivering presentation skills workshops for nearly 30 years. My courses have evolved over time, are constantly refreshed with new and updated content, ideas and exercises, and are designed to help people get the best out of themselves. Having worked in-house for organisations all over the world, I now offer my workshops in an open online setting where people can access my work directly. So if you want to enhance your presentation skills, have a look at my open course, and if you like the look of it, why not sign up and join me and other like-minded people for a practical and effective workshop that feedback has consistently shown gets real results.